Hello kids, today we will do chapter 4 keyboard and its keys. So what is keyboard and how it work and what is on the keyboard. As you need a pen or a pencil to write in your notebook, a computer needs a keyboard to write on it. So like you, if you want to write something in the copy notebook, you need pen or pencil or something to write. Same thing for computer, we you need keyboard to type anything on the monitor. So keyboard is the input device. A keyboard contains a set of buttons called keys. So these small buttons over the keyboard are called keys. To type on a computer, you need to press key. So you need to press A. If you want to type your name, you need to press the alphabets from the keyboard. These are the keys. There are different kind of keys present on a keyboard. Let's take a look for some of them. So these red part is alphabet keys to maintain record of account holders, money transaction details, etc. So for for typing your name, you need to use alphabet keys. Next is backspace key and delete key. Where it is? Backspace key is here and delete key is over here. So to maintain, so why we need to use backspace key and delete key? We need to delete anything right of the cursor. We use delete key. If you want to remove the letter from the left of the cursor, you need to use backspace key. Next is number key. They are 10 in numbers. Numbers 0 to 9 are written on them. So where it is? This orange one is number keys. They are from 0 to 9. Spacebar key. This longest key on the keyboard is spacebar key. It is used to give the space between letters, numbers, any keys. Caps lock key. This is the caps lock key. It is used to do upper in type letters in uppercase. Next is arrow key. These are the arrow key. They are used to move cursor up and down, left and right. So you using arrow key. So we learn about alphabet key, backspace key, delete key, number keys, spacebar keys, caps lock keys, and arrow keys. So there are different type of keys that those we mainly use when we do typing. Let's start with the exercise. Whatever is typed using keyboard, we can erase it by using which key? We using two keys, backspace key and delete key. Now check on the options which is there. Backspace, spacebar, shift, caps lock. So backspace is there, so we will take A. Next is identify me. I usually appear on the last row of the keyboard. Generally, you may not find anything written on me. I am the longest key on the keyboard. So, longest key is the spacebar key that we know, that we learned just now. Delete key, no, this is small key. Next is enter key. Enter key is big but not longest key in the on the keyboard. Backspace key, no. So last is space bar key. Next is direction for 3 and 4th question. Consider the given scenario and answer the questions that follows. Smita has typed the word as shown below. What she typed? Computer, and there is a cursor. Now she wants to correct this misspelled word computer. Here she typed A extra. So she need to remove that by erasing the letter A. Which of the following key will allow her to move the cursor before letter A? So we using arrow key, but we need to go left. So we need to use left arrow key. So answer is D. Next is, which of the following keys when pressed will erase the letter A? So which key we will use to erase? Because we are going before the key, then we need to remove it on the right side. So you need to use delete key. Kushal has typed his full name as follows: Kushal Sharma. He wants to add a space between his first name Kushal and last name Sharma. Help him by suggesting a key to do this task. So enter key is used for the going to the next row. Delete key is using for delete. Backspace is also for the delete left of the cursor. Next is spacebar is used to give space between two words. So D is the answer. He need to press the spacebar key after L, then it will give the space. I am a key that when pressed, we will allow you to type capital letters continuously, and pressing me once again will allow you to type in a small case letters who am I. So which one is used? We need to use caps lock key to uppercase the letter or capital letter, and then move to the small case letter when we again press the caps lock key. Select the incorrect match. Alphabet key used to type words and sentence, yes. Number key used to type numbers and digits, yes. Spacebar key is used to move the cursor up, no. Spacebar key is used to skip the space between the numbers. So this is the incorrect match. Select the odd one out, Z, D, A and star. So D is the odd one out because they all are the alphabet key. This is a special key. Select the incorrect statement about the keyboard, and star is also not the key over the keyboard. Select the incorrect statement about the keyboard. It can be used to type only small case letter. No. So this is wrong. If there are 26 alphabet key, yes. The number keys are marked from 0 to 9, yes. Allow keys used, arrow key used to move the cursor up, down, left or right, yes. So incorrect one is type only small letter. You can type capital letters also using the shift key or caps lock key. Unscramble the letters of the given word and select the correct statement about it. So, what are the options? It is key used to delete the characters at the right of cursor position. So, this is unscrambled, we scramble, delete. So, this is matching. So, answer A is used to delete the character right of the cursor. Key can be used to move the cursor to the beginning of the next line. So I told you earlier that we use enter key to go to the next line or a return key. So 11th answer is C. Which of the following cannot be considered as a number key? 0, 1, 5, 10. So 10 is the answer because there is no key with the 10. We have the 0. Like this. What will be displayed on a monitor screen if you type the given word after switching on the caps lock key? So if we enter caps lock key, before that it is write small letters, then next it will write capital letters. Pressing key once will be move cursor towards right one letter at a time. One left. This is left. So one towards left, one entire sentence, move cursor one towards left one letter at a time. So answer is D. Select the key that can be used to do the given task to add gap between two words, add gap between letters, add space between two sentences. This is the longest key, which is spacebar key. Thank you guys. Do practice and learn about keyboard. Thank you. Bye bye.